lights onto my car. Right now they're those yellow lights that come factory, so I'm gonna switch those out to the white LED lights so they shine brighter at night and give it a better look. And I got them from this company right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install this light onto my car right now. Like I said, I'm installing the trunk light. It's gonna switch it out from to the yellow light to the white light. Pop it out right here. Wiggle it out with your hand. There you go. Pop this out right here. You twist it up. You twist it off. That's kind of hot, so you gotta be careful. That's definitely gonna be hot. All right, this just comes right out right here, and then you untwist this here. Take the old bulb out. I got the new bulb, and you just pop it right in right here. Like that. Twist it back in. Boom. Hey man, say man, $10. Better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real now, for real. We went ahead and installed the LED lights for the trunk right here. You see it ain't that ugly yellow lights no more. It's the white LED lights. Now it ain't really that dark right now, so a little later on I'm gonna get a couple films of it at night so you can see what it look like at night. You see how bright it is, alright? So you better keep tapping in for it's goddamn too late. For real now, for real, it's $10.